Today I thought we'd try and bust a myth about reusable transport packaging. If you read through the arguments of our single-use competitors, you will often see that they point to the impact of transport on the environmental performance of RTP. Basically, they're saying RTP needs a lot of transport and therefore there's a lot of extra emissions. On the other hand, single-use packaging doesn't. This is a well-known tactic in EU lobbying, pushing easy messages and trying to sow confusion. Instead of baseless accusations, I'll try to bust this myth by referring to hard science. RTP does indeed need transport, yes, of course, otherwise it wouldn't be reusable. Transport, however, is only one of the many parameters influencing the environmental performance of packaging. And it's only when you look at packaging through the lens of its entire life cycle, from cradle to grave, that you find the answer you're looking for. Besides the impact of transport, we're namely talking about the use of virgin or recycled content in production, the energy and water needed for the production of packaging, the single-use or reusable nature of packaging, and finally, the recyclability of packaging, again with a big impact of the energy and water use, and many more. When you take all these factors into consideration through a full life cycle analysis, it's clear RTP is environmentally superior to single-use. So while transport in itself might have a big impact on RTP emissions, that impact is easily offset by its superior reusability and recyclability. I'll also link to some supporting independent evidence down below. It does take some effort to find out this kind of information, I grant you that, but that's why we're here, to separate fact from fiction.